G'day Carmen. It's a little bit windy, so I hope everyone can hear me. I'm here with the little python that we got out of the Telstra pit. We're just going to release the little guy now. We're not too far away from the pit. We couldn't actually put it back inside the pit due to the pit now being closed off. So we're only about 200 metres away. Hopefully he realises that he can come out. Let's see if I can just grab him and get him to come out. There we go. There we go. You're free, little man. You're free. Off you go. And off he goes. Beautiful. Now this is only one of 3 releases we've got to do today. The other 2 releases are now out of rehab. So next couple of videos will be of their release.